Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to disable physics of a rigid body by deactivating freeze property. So let's see. So here I have one Godot game engine project, and I'll create a 2D scene. Inside that I will quickly add a rigid body, and inside that I will use sprite 2D, and I will also add a collision shape. Okay, so here is our sprite 2D. I'll just drag and drop this icon.svg over here, and here is our collision shape. I'll just add this new rectangle shape. Okay, and here I'll just move it over here so that it occupies the entire thing, something like this. I'll just do Command S to save it. Then if I run, so I'll just move it at the center so that you guys have a better, okay, not this, the entire rigid body, okay, somewhere over here. Okay, and if I play this, it will obviously it will fall, as you can see. Now to disable the fall, the other physics property, what you can do is select your rigid body 2D, and here you will have to search for deactivation. Inside that you will have to enable freeze, then run it, and here you can see it's now behaving like a static body. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.